friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download large size images or 1020 into 720 size photos in your iPhone. First of all, go into your browser, any browser. Just go into your browser. Now here you have to search anything, like if you want to search images of your models. Now just search images of model and search it. Now here you will see an image option next to all. Now click on images. Now click on images. Now you have to click on this option for enabling desktop type mode option. Now click on, and now just click on request desktop site. Now here you will see that the interface change into desktop site. Now here you will see an option tools. Click on tools. Now here you will see size option. Now click on size and click on large. Now here you will see that all the pictures which is given here is HD and large size photos. So like this you just click on the photo which you want to download. Now like this. Now just hold on this photo and click on save image. So like this you can download large size photos in your mobile phone. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.